Hi everyone. Yeah. Sang niệm của phụ y ở quỹ ở lệ cultural festival lệ với cái camp. Mỗi phụ phụ các mẹ chạy gì các Samoa đấy. Yeah. Come quay. My wife is still at work. Maybe she finished at 3 o'clock. Yeah. 3 or 3:30. Maybe.
We're going to Multicultural. And Yossi is so proud. He's such a proud brother. Because his brother
going for the squad of 7 and he is the player of the match of the 7s in Samoa. Maris 7s. Maris.
Also, I just want to apologize about not uploading CS's story throughout the week as we promised, because he's been so spastic in recording. He's recorded like 4 or 5 times his story and has had to record again and again and again, because the first one, which was like pretty good, but the camera was like the whole time, and the second one went for like 30 minutes. The third one, the bad lighting. The fourth one, I can't remember. But the fifth one, which you just did today, hopefully it's good. I haven't seen it yet. We're here at the Multicult now. It's just around the corner from over there. I'll try and get some footage, but people might be staring at me. I told Yossi to go and get that cone to save that park over there. My mum's coming with the car. Oh, hello. Ta-da! It's day 6 of my diet and I really want to break it right now. What do you reckon? No way! YouTube channel.
How much should I pay you? Let's not make it easier.
No, how much should you pay me?
I know there will be traffic coming up later.
It's so hot, guys. So very hot. Do you like it? She was just being a stinky poo bum because he was hungry and I was trying to rush him from getting food. Multicultural Day, and it's so expensive. For like a small container of rice in tapasui is like $10. Look at his cute little mouth munching away. You are. Now will you be happy? How much was that? Huh? $15. Holy crap. Sorry, the sun's in the way. I'm fighting the urge to buy Dutch pancakes.
Yeah. Really nice pork and chicken legs.
I'm here with my beautiful cousin Sarah. She's like a model. What's your modeling name? Sarah Model. And that's her boyfriend. Oh, her fiance, sorry, her fiance. Woo, girl! Oh my god, I found another viewer! candy pipes. Shisha. If I didn't explain, multicultural is multiples of cultures. Basically, all cultures come together and share a bit of their culture. So they've got the Vietnamese, they've got salt and feta, they have the Samoan, Tongan, Chinese stand, all kinds, Russian foods. Any country, you name it, I bet you it's here. Ah, there we go. So we're here in the beautiful city of Canberra, and we met some of our viewers here in the corner. She's talking about this photo. Oh my god, even if I did eat bad, I've probably burnt it off because... Sorry, can we take a picture? What's your YouTube channel? Yes, oh my god! Those girls were so nice, they were Tongan. It's so good to see people actually watch our vlogs and adult people because the last people were children. And that was so nice of them to come up to us. I liked it so much. Look how nice this waterfall is. Oh my goodness, I think I just came into heaven. What does that say? All I can see is the word chocolate. Wow. Oh my god, that is so good. Yeah? Oui. No, what the hell? Olo poco ia. Olo poco ia.
Oh, you was right.
Olo poco ia. Vero poco vareanga yo.
Ma ia, se kau sisi pe ah. Kau sisi.
How good is it? Kuya makan mantik. Oh my goodness, we were walking past and I couldn't help but turn around because that music is so beautiful. You know what, viewers? Siossi's ashamed of you guys because he never wants to hold the camera around. He always wants me to hold it, and he always wants me to take the footage because he's ashamed of you guys. I'm not ashamed of you guys.
You'll never see me again.
We're seeing you right now.
After right now.
We're still seeing you right now. Puff said the dragon. Did you guys have barbecue before?
I think it's a store down there.
Is it a Tongan store? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, look at my girl.
I'm good. How are you?
Ashingo! Oh my god, you look so pretty. Oh, this is my friend Ashingo. Hi.
Hi.
multicultural?
No.
Why? Yeah, because we came so late. We came in, the Samoan stages were over. Apparently they were really empty because it was storming and raining, and I was actually working at that time. Ooh, yummy! Pineapple gelato. Yummy. Actually, that looks really good on camera. What did you say? What? Delicious one. We met another viewer. What's your name? Maya. Maya? Oh, thank you. Our overall review of the multicultural is too much hot, too many people, too much coupe out. It is seriously so overpriced. Everything, you have to come here with $100 to be full. Anyways, thank you for coming along with us, and thank you for being so patient with us uploading, because you know what? I really feel like we should take some annual leave on vlogging because I am so tired.
But it's taking a toll on me. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who supports us. Thank you to our viewers who came up to us today. But my booty is scared. Sorry if I don't upload a video in the next couple of weeks because we want to go for a vacation. Oh.
Such a nice baby. Nice, so nice.
Shut up. Anyways, we're gonna call it a night. Thank you for coming along with us, and thank you for loving us. And I actually needed to tell you something serious. Actually, yeah, I'll tell you tomorrow because this vlog's too long. Bye.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,
If you like it, subscribe.
if you like, subscribe.